I don't know about you, but I was brought up on Carletto the Prince of Monsters, Mazinga and Holly Benji. How great was it to come back from school, have snack and binge watch the cartoons. Johnny's Almost Magic, Dighton 3, not to mention funny Doraemon, who was crazy for a soft and tasty cake. Dorayaki. Turn up the volume. What are we going to need? Eggs, honey, baking powder, ice and sugar, flour, seed oil and water, and obviously our lucky cat charm. All the ingredients in the bowl. Zac, flour, ice and sugar, baking powder, 2 eggs, indigo, honey and water. With a very useful whisk, we mix all the ingredients, slowly at first, not to make a mess, and then we change speed, vigorously. Smooth mix with no lumps. This must be the texture. Ready. Zac, to the hops. Crack pan, ouch hot. A teeny tiny bit of oil. Just grease it a bit. And then we clean it. A ladle to take the right amount of mix and zac in the pan. As soon as tiny little bubbles from on the surface, it's time to flip our dorayakis. You can make them extremely small, giant like vinyl. What counts is that they turn that brown color we like so much. I'll show you which. This one. The first ones are ready. Let's keep going. In Japan, there's an ingenious treat to get filled with red beans jam. We're going to make them a little bit more European by stuffing them with red berries jam, not spread. I'll keep going with all the others. See you later. Snack is ready. Look how soft they are. Look how chubby. Also, these are ready. Let's start the 80s cartoon binge watching. The newsroom girls have chosen Lady Oscar. Us boys are indecisive between Police Academy and Ninja Turtles. We'll pick now. Cartoons aside, our snack will be dorayaki. This is my version. I'll wait for yours.